Hi, this is Dave Show from Toledo, Ohio in the US, and this is the DIY project for day 4. Day 4 of the Python boot camp for STEMpedia. So the challenge that I decided to do was to count the number of instances of all the characters in a string, and I wrote a little program to do that. Let's just walk through the program. The goal is to count instances of each character in a string. First we get the test string from the user. We scrub out all the spaces since they're kind of irrelevant. And then we take that string and create a set out of it called unique char. So that slims down the number of characters that we're working with to just the unique characters. Then I instantiate a dictionary. A dictionary obviously is a data structure that has name and value or key value pairs. You can't have multiple versions of the same key, but I already have unique characters. And so I'm going to rattle down through that set of unique characters, and I'm going to stuff a new record into the dictionary for each one of those characters. And the key will be the character, and the value will be the count that I get from passing that character into that string test.count function. So at the end, then I have this dictionary that's populated with the characters and the number of instances that there are. I decided it's not sorted, so I decided to sort it by the characters. I just sorted in ascending order, and then for the display, I just iterate through that dictionary and print the key value pair. So that's the way the code works. Let's just take a look at it in action. I've got some lorem ipsum here for text, so I could have just used Mississippi, but I've got a little paragraph of lorem ipsum. So let's just run it. It's going to ask me for the string. There's the string. Enter it, and there's my list of characters, all the characters that were in the string, and their relative counts. If you want to actually see whether the thing's accurate, we can clear it, run it, and use our old buddy Mississippi. The Mississippi is a very large river that divides the United States. It runs from Wisconsin down to the Gulf of Mexico. So there we go. For Mississippi, there's 4 unique characters, 4 I's, 1 M, 2 P's, and 4 S's. It was a lot more fun with the lorem ipsum because there were more characters, but either way, program works. Thanks a lot.